What's up everybody? Welcome to Dial Home Tech. I'm Diego and this is my new channel. Here in this channel we're going to talk about home automation, technology, and some cool gadgets that you can have around the house. And also we're going to be doing some unboxing, some reviews, and review some gaming peripherals as well. So I hope that you can get a little bit out of what we're going to be talking about here. And going forward, if you have any questions or if you want to talk about anything, just leave your comment or your questions in the comments and then we'll address them. So first things first, let's get things started with home automation. Every home automation project starts with a few smart devices here and there. And most of you guys who are trying to get into it probably already know that some of the easiest and most accessible things are smart switches, smart plugs, smart lights, and that's what I would recommend you guys getting started with. So what I'm going to be talking about today is actually the Amazon Echo Show 2nd generation. That's a great starter device, especially because it provides a couple of things. It gives you the ability to issue your voice commands to your devices, but it also brings into the realm a built-in automation hub. That's a really good starting device and also a really nice central hub for the house. One of the main things, or probably the main thing about the device, is that it provides the voice command accessibility that you need in order to get started, and it also gives you a Zigbee protocol hub that's built into the device. And you probably are going to be asking, what does that mean? A lot of these smart devices today use 3 protocols to talk to each other or talk to different hubs around the house. They're going to be talking to them via Wi-Fi. They're going to be talking to them via Zigbee protocol or Z-Wave. So the nice thing about the Amazon Alexa, or the Echo Show 2nd generation rather, is that it provides that Zigbee protocol built in as well as the Wi-Fi one. So that enables you to have a very broad selection of devices that you can kind of interact and control just by using that central hub. Despite what's already out there, the really nice screen, the really nice speaker, I'm not going to get into the technical details of those, but what I do want to share with you guys is that it provides some really nice capabilities. So one of the really cool things that you can do with this device is that you can actually create certain routines or scenes, and those things will enable you to control a group or a set of smart devices in your house. So I posted a little video on my Instagram account where I was doing just saying a particular sentence, and then my shades will come down and then my lights will go off. So this is just an example of the power of these devices and the power of these protocols offer. So that's just a little example of what you can do with a group or a set of devices that you have around the house. So you can control a group of lights, a group of shades, a group of smart plugs, a group of smart switches, just by saying a word or a phrase. And that's probably one of the most powerful things that you can do with these devices. So you're probably asking, what kind of device do I need to get started? So do I really need the Amazon Echo Show 2nd generation or not? And my answer is no, you don't. You can actually get started with the simple, Google Mini or an Amazon Echo Dot. So you can actually get started with anything like that. The ability that the Amazon Echo Show 2nd generation gives you is that, yes, it provides you with a beautiful screen, a really nice speaker that you can take advantage, by listening to music or watching, shows from your Prime account if you're a Prime subscriber. So when it comes to how powerful these devices are, you're gonna also use and leverage different third-party applications or different third-party programs that can allow you to do even more with it. And one of the most powerful ones is IFTTT, which stands for if this, then that. It's basically just a programming bit that allows you to do certain things around your automation devices that says, if something happens, then do this. So for example, I have a smart bulb in my foyer where it comes on every day around sunset. So I set up this little snippet where it says, if sunset reaches around my area here in Massachusetts, then that light will come on. And then there's the other way around where it will turn itself off at 4 a.m. every night. Just in case I need to go downstairs and grab a glass of water. I don't want to be tripping down the stairs, but it'll let you do these things. So I also have garage doors. If the garage door is open for more than 5 minutes, then close the garage door. So these are some of the bits and some of the things that you can do with IFTTT. and probably one of my favorite things to be playing around when it comes to my home devices. I try to do different scenes and different applets that do different things with a different array of devices, which is a really cool thing. So to wrap things up, you don't need an Amazon Echo Show 2nd generation, but you want to get something that you can do voice control, like a Google Assistant or an Amazon Echo device. You know, they have the Dots, they have the Show, they have the Plus. So the differences are somewhat minimal. The cool thing is that the Plus, as well as the Echo Show 2nd generation, do come with that Zigbee Smart Hub built in. So that's really nice. And then another cool thing is that, I'll leave a link here in the description too, is that they usually run for about $229.99 at Amazon, and you can actually get a smart bulb free with it. It doesn't give you a lot to get started, but it's a smart bulb and you can start controlling with that particular device. And then, you know, from there you can add maybe a smart switch or maybe a smart plug, and then you can kind of, you know, start developing your automation home. So to wrap things up, I really want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. And if I have helped you in any way, please hit that like button too. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you just check it out at @DialHomeTech on Instagram, and also here on YouTube, where I'm going to be posting content. The Instagram is more of like a daily thing. Here and there I do, you know, little tech snippets. And then here on YouTube, I'm going to be posting like probably weekly videos where you guys can, you know, check it out, what I have going on and what I'm actually doing right now. So yeah, until next time, I'm Dial, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. See ya.